Hi, today in front of me Oppo A57s and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap on sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the silent mode switcher. Just click here on the silent mode switcher to activate it, and now we can see that the ringtones and notifications they will be muted. To turn it off, we should click on the switcher once again. Now ringtone and notifications they will ring. So also by this way we can turn on or turn off the silent mode just by mute or unmute the ringtone volume panel. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you will see here silent mode icon. To activate or to turn it off, we should click on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.